What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we need to talk about what Dogecoin is doing right now. And as you can see, we did have this little dip here, but we came back. Like I said, we were definitely going to rise back up. That just happens whenever we have a dip, because when we do have a dip, we have people that buy in on that dip, because that is the thing to do. That is the best thing to do, is to buy the dip. But yeah, we had people buy the dip here, and now you can see we are up here again. Yeah, Dogecoin is going to continue to rise here. Let's go over here and take off that little drawing there. Alright, look at this. Dogecoin is going to continue to rise, like I said in my previous video, and expect this to maybe go down and then jump right back up and then keep following this line up until we have another drop, or until possibly another jump. But we will have another drop after a certain amount of growth. That just happens all the time. Like, it got to here right there. So since it got to here with this amount of growth, next time we might be around maybe 35 cents when we have our next point of resistance here. It'll maybe be at 35 cents, and that's just my little projection. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But yeah, we could really do anything here with Doge. I would say to expect it to be around there, around 35 cents. But we could come here higher, maybe even at 40 cents. But I would say 35 would be the best. But then we will drop again, because we'll just be testing numbers. And Doge moves really fast, so this could happen within a matter of like 2 days. Like, this would be really big for Doge. But yeah, we'll definitely reach there in a few days. But just watching Doge, it's hard to know what it will do, because Doge is so unpredictable that we just don't know. Like, we want it to do something like this, and then, you know, maybe get a little bit of drop off, and then come back with even stronger, and then a little bit more of a drop off, and then come back even stronger. That is obviously what we want here with Doge. We don't want it to just soar straight past this line, because then we'll just drop right off just as hard as we did around here. We went up so high, and then we dropped just as hard, and then we did the same thing here. Too much growth to sustain, way too many people buying in, and then people buying in right at these peaks, and then all the rich taking their money out and then buying back in here, since they dropped all the way down, and then they just bought the dip, and then they profited there. People sell more, it goes down to even more dip, and then people will buy there, and then they'll sell again, and then it's just a constant cycle. And a lot of people sell are actually, I've been seeing like a lot of whales selling. A lot of whales have been selling their Dogecoin, so that is definitely really big for Dogecoin right now. Is that a lot of whales are selling, but a lot of normal people are buying into Dogecoin, so that definitely helps Dogecoin as well. But Dogecoin overall, we have a good community, so we really shouldn't even be worried about all of this. Like, we're going to continue to go up here. The trend line is already set. We're already set in motion right now. Dogecoin is going to continue to go up until it has some resistance. And then when it has its little resistance, it'll most likely go down a little bit. We'll retrace back here, and then we'll continue to go up. It's just what Dogecoin does. But Dogecoin is like any other crypto. It just follows the trend, and it follows the community. Really, if people are investing into it, the price is going up. If people are taking their money out, the price is going down. But every day we have good news with Dogecoin. Like Slim Jim, look at this. Prediction for tonight. Winner of the outstanding performance by an online community category goes to Doge Army. This is a lot of stuff from Slim Jim. Slim Jim is always supporting Doge. So shout outs to Slim Jim. Slim Jim definitely deserves some shine here. They got a lot of followers off of Doge, if you think about it. They only had about 60k followers like a few weeks ago. And then after the Doge Day 420, they just kind of exploded. But yeah, Slim Jim has been really big here, and we're just really waiting on Elon Musk, really. All we need is for Elon Musk to say one tweet, or maybe even come at it with the Saturday Night Live mention with Dogecoin. That's all we really need. But this video is more so on the Doge chart and what we're doing here. And what we're doing is we're just continuing to go up this trend line. This trend line has already been set. I don't think we're going to go anywhere below it. The only thing that can happen is some more bad news about the capital gains tax comes out, and if it actually comes out to be true and they actually pass this law, then you can definitely see Doge along with every other crypto go downhill from there. It'll have a huge drop, and then people will see some gains that they could make, and then they'll probably buy in, and then it'll go up a little bit, but then it'll go down again because crypto is going to be taxed at a higher rate, and then it would be a new trend line that was set. And it would look a little bit like this straight down. But that would only be if it's actually true that they're gonna be taxing people at a higher rate. And if that is actually true, that would be very bad for crypto and for stocks. It would be bad for everyone. So you would definitely see the whole economy like freaking out. Everyone will be selling out of stocks. Everyone will be selling out of crypto. People will be investing their money more into real estate. And this is just something that's probably going to end up happening if this does. And yeah, you might just see me making real estate videos now. But no, truthfully, like if this all the stuff starts to happen and they have some huge outstanding like tax bracket for us, and then we got to move our money somewhere else. It's just what we got to do. But yeah, you can definitely expect me to come out with some real estate videos in the future, because I'm definitely thinking about investing inside some real estate now, especially since I live out here in Florida and there's a lot of good real estate to invest in Florida. So I should definitely make some videos about that. But yeah, Dogecoin is going to continue to rise here. We're going to continue to do numbers. But the only thing you should watch out for is where you want to be buying in your Dogecoin at. And I guess 25 cents is a good line to buy it at. To be honest, 25 cents is maybe not the cheapest that you'll get it at, but 24 cents would be about the cheapest that you'll get it at again. But I'm not too sure. I think we could continue to go up here in Dogecoin, so I would not wait, because we just had a huge dip. Well, not even a huge dip, but we just had a dip and we got almost all of that market cap back. Like literally almost all of the market cap came back instantly. That means whatever whale sold their Doge, the people, the consumers, we came in and we bought that right up. The second they sold, we came and we bought that. So that dip right there, that was probably caused by a major whale selling. So as soon as this whale sells, you see it's a huge dip. A lot of people see that as an opportunity. So then the strong Doge community buys until they finally get at the tip. And then some people are like, okay, I made a lot of profits, let's sell some profits. And that's what happens. But it's actually a constant trend line here that was set, and it was set in motion. It was going to continue to rise because of all the whole influx of all these orders coming in for Doge. As you can see, we had like so many sell orders right here, but then the buy orders started coming in because people seen the dip and they knew exactly what was going to happen if they bought that dip. They were about to make some really good money, and then they're going to sell it up there, and then it was just going to kind of consolidate. And that's just how it happens. You know, you got to make money, you got to spend money to make money. So yeah, you definitely have to be willing to leave your money in there and know what it'll do, but you also have to be willing to sell at the peak so then you can buy back in at the low. But yeah, that's exactly what I wish I would have did over here. If I would have just bought in all the way up here, I would have about 60k. So that is just something to think about. If I would have bought in here and then, you know, or not bought in it, if I would have sold up here, and then bought back in, because I bought in down here originally. Where's 6 cents at? 6 cents is down here. So I bought in here originally, and I rode Dogecoin all the way up, and I was making videos like since this day back here about Dogecoin, and I rode Dogecoin all the way up here, but I didn't sell, and I should have sold there because it was so much growth. I didn't sell. I was being stupid. But then I sold right around here because I was like, all right, we're definitely going to continue to go down here. And then we did, and then that's when I bought back in, like around here. And then I sold again because we started doing more stuff. So I sold again around up here, and then that's when I started to, you know, average down and making sure I can acquire as much Doge as I can. And yeah, that's how I got to where I am now with Doge. But yeah, it was a really long journey with Doge, but that's just a little background of what I've been doing here with Doge. And I have 26.7k Doge right now, and I'm trying to add some more Doge to my position. But yeah, I just have to wait for some more money to get cleared, and I'm definitely going to invest more into Doge. And I would definitely say Doge is the #1 crypto just because the community is so strong. But yeah, this is just a little look at what we are going to continue to do here. We're going to continue to rise here, and we will continue to go until we get this news on May 8th. Remember, May 8th, Elon Musk will be on Saturday Night Live, and Elon Musk must say something, because if he doesn't, we will drop, and if he does, then we will jump. But yeah, we will rise, and yeah, that's just all. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, check out that description, and get your free stock with Robinhood, Public, and Webull. And you can get Doge and Webull now, and I will be back with another video. Peace.